Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this journey of SOLIDWORKS drawing, we have come to an end, and I'm gonna finish the whole course of mastering SOLIDWORKS drawing with this drawing template. So you can pretty much create this drawing sheet. You can insert all the necessary views, and then we can insert pretty much all the details that we use in industrial drawing. So the things that we are going to do is, first of all, in the first part of this tutorial, I'll create this simple part. So it's a very simple part. It will take you almost 2 to 3 minutes to create this, and then using this part I'm going to put all my necessary views. I'm going to show you how you can put on your logos, how you can pretty much fill all the details from the part itself. No need to type in the details. All right, so yeah, let's see how we can create the sheet format as well as the views. All right, so let's start with the tutorial. I'm going to go for a new part itself, go for novice part. Okay, and then let's go for front view. So keep my units to mmgs, so let's go for a sketch. Let's start with some center rectangle, go for dimensions 10, and from here 100. Let's do a circle and let's give it a center line. All right, let's give the diameter for the circle. Let's give it 10, and then I'm going to take a line and pretty much do a line from here to here. Let's give it a dimension, this one 110 degrees. Also, I'm going to mirror this, so let's go for mirror. Select this as your entities to mirror and select this as your axis. Let's join these two endpoints with another line, and we have finished the sketch. So let's give the dimensions 10 for this one as well. I'm going to give a dimension for this center of the circle 29, and from this end to this end this could be 50. All right, so our sketch is fully defined now. Let's exit. Okay, sorry, we need to edit the sketch and make some trimming. So I'll trim this one and this one. Rest is all okay, and you have the fully defined constraint. So let's go for exit sketch and let's give it a extrude. So go to features, extrude boss base, select your sketch. Let's reverse the direction, go for 30 mm. All right, next we can do is we'll do a simple slot on this face. So let's select the face, go for sketch. Let's start with some center line. I'm gonna do one center line from this midpoint and another center line from the origin. All right, let's go for straight slot, and let's do a slot over here. Let's give it dimensions, so from here to here should be 30. Also from here to here should be 8, and this point from this edge would be 10, and rest is from here to here, but I want it from the outer arc, so from this endpoint to this. So let's switch it to this one, and okay, so to get that, what we can do is go to leaders, go to maximum for this one and maximum for this one. Okay, I'll give the values, so 18 for this. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. All I need to do is mirror it, so let's go for mirror, select our entities, mirror about this axis, and exit. We'll give it a extruded cut through all or whatever, make sure it's going all the way. Now we have the cut. Let's give some fillets, so let's go for fillet. I'm gonna go for lower radius, so just 1 mm, and then select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge. That's it. All right, the last part that we have to do for the last thing that we have to do in this part is basically create a hole on this face, and to do that I'm gonna select the face. Okay, I'm gonna select the whole wizard. Let's go for straight tap and symmetric, and change the type to tapped hole. I'll change the size to M3 0.5. You can go for other dimensions as well, it's just for the sake that I have done this. So yeah, and then I'm not going to give it a end condition as through all, so let's change it to blind, give the diameter as 6, and yeah, leave it all the rest as it is. Now we need to position it, so let's go for position, select on this face, and then what we can do is we could do, yeah, so let's go for center line from the midpoint. Okay, and we'll do another center line from this midpoint. Okay, and we'll go for another center line like this. Let's give it a dimension from here to here, and I want this to be 6. All right, the another center line that we can do is like this, and then give it a dimension from here, so 10 for this one, and let's place our holes. So I'll select this point. If you are confused, just zoom in, and what else we can do? Yeah, so we can put one more over here, and then let's give it a smart dimension. So for this hole we need to define the distance. This one is already defined, so let's go for mirror entities, and we can select our holes. Okay, so let's keep on adding the points. So add one here, one here. Let's make them all equal. So it's already vertical. We need to give dimension for this one here. No need. Okay, so let's give it a dimension from here to here, and this should be 12, and we need to align all these holes. So select this one and this one, make them horizontal, this one and this one, make them horizontal, right? What else we can do? So I think this is already aligned, right? Let's check the dimension. From here should be 20. Okay, yeah, so that's the only definition that you have to give, so it will make your sketch fully defined. So I'm ready with the holes. I'll just press the green tick. Yeah, that's our part right here. Okay, the next thing that we can do to our part is we can pretty much give it a material and then save it, right? We'll do all those in the next part. I'll keep this as the part 1 for this tutorial. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.